The virtual, simultaneous, and nationwide earthquake drill organized by the Office of Civil Defense centered on preparedness and cooperation. The OCD stressed the importance of strengthening the country's preparedness against earthquakes and tsunamis amid the pandemic. The simulation exercise showed the proper way of performing the duck, cover, and hold. Several government agencies took part in the drill.
Bigyang importansya nawa natin ang lahat ng aktibidad, programa at ibang gawain para sa ating mga kaligtasan dahil ang banta ng panganib ay laging nariyan.
We cannot simply rely our survival on emergency rescue teams during disasters because they too can become victims of these catastrophes. Remember that in times of calamities, it is a yo-yo situation. You are on your own. Kanya-kanya tayo, kaya dapat handa tayo. Therefore, the importance of preparation is crucial.